Okay, guys, so we heard that everything is on all-time highs, especially the Nasdaq and the ES all-time highs. So market is very bullish. So I made a little cushion here, got some little contracts. Then I entered a very strong long position here. Okay, so expecting the market to reach the target. Else we just cancel the trade. I will just put it here. So if market gets here, I'm gonna exit the trade. As you can see, market is really bullish. Sellers are out of the way, guys. You see the Nasdaq is just pushing higher. As you can see over here, the Nasdaq, the ES to the tick, guys. As I always tell you, well, exit the
long
trade.
signal ES
Was a winner. When you see these guys, when the market is respecting the ATRs, as you can see, this is when the market is really trading very normal. Okay, everything is in sync. You can see here the ATR well respected to the tick. Okay, so you can see market just very little pullbacks, You see that near regression going up, step MA pushing up, and the tape is just green. Okay, so everything is just going long. Okay, so that way, guys, just don't trade the open. Okay, just don't trade the open. Don't fall into, that you need to go after the market and say I just need to trade right now. No, guys, it's just need to wait that the market make the structure. You don't need to learn anything. All those guys that say smart money concept and all that things, guys, don't do that, because you're not in that league. You are looking to put money on the table, okay, food on the table of your family, okay, get a prop firm account, and just get the money. Okay, just get the money. There's the money that you just need to make your things well. Okay, just trade daily. You need to make a little bit of money. If everything is respected, just wait for the market. If the market over here, for example, is very clear, guys, it's just need to wait. You see the market over here, it didn't even tag the ATR. So what happens here? Everything is bullish. You can see the news. Everything is making new highs. So everything is bullish because the market is very bullish. So what you need to do, go long. Okay, don't go short. Don't fade the market, because you're gonna lose. You're gonna get into a hole. Okay, so this is the beauty of this system, guys, that they really put you in the right direction. I always tell you over here. Okay, so you need to understand we're above the 2 ATRs. Okay, everything is bullish. Just let the market demonstrate you that they want to go higher. Okay, so it's all it is. Okay, guys, so well, that's it for today. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video, guys. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, so have a great day, guys.